Hi guys, this is Anna. Welcome to my kitchen and I'm going to make Pansit bihon. Please watch the whole video. So this time I'm cutting all the vegetables: carrot, celery, onions, garlic, and bokchoy.
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could.
And this time I'm going to stir fry the chicken and put salt and pepper to taste, and then I added 2 cups of water and 2 cups of chicken stock. So now I stir fry all the vegetables for 20 seconds so it's not overcooked.
I think I'm losing my sight. I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kind of bad.
I put salt and pepper to all the vegetables.
Yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could.
I stir fry each vegetables and remove it from the pan.
I could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it.
By the way, I soaked the pancit for a little bit. You can also use cabbage, but I used the bokchoy because cabbage at commissary is out of stock. And I'm going to transfer the cooked chicken to the pan.
I could swear that I'm fainting. I think I'm losing my sight. I swear I'm hitting the floor.
And I added chicken stock.
I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me
And I
feel
put the pancit bihon into the chicken stock.
kind of anything, and I would change it if I could.
I added soy sauce for more color and taste. And I transferred the pancit to the pan and I add the chicken, add more soy sauce, and then all the vegetables.